Okay, this is the basic knowledge here. You learned this one when you were grade 4, I think. Yeah. So you have to draw a parallel line. Okay, pass through point R and parallel to PQ. Okay, let's start. Here I use two set square. Okay, you can use a set square and a ruler. It's up to you. Yeah. So you put one of the set square on PQ. See, like this. Sorry, I use different side. I use wrong side. Okay, see, if you see here, yeah, there is right angle. Okay, and there is a, in mathematics we call this one hypotenuse. Yeah, so we don't use that. Okay, so you can use this one or this one. Okay, see, I use this. You can put like that, or you can put like this. Remember, yeah. Okay, I repeat. See, hypotenuse, and then the two perpendicular lines. Okay, we use those two lines. Yeah, remember we use those two lines. Okay, you put on PQ, and then see, this is a line that perpendicular to that one, right? You put a ruler over here. You can use a ruler, yeah, but here I use triangle. See. And then use it. Okay, now press this one strong. Okay, and then you move slowly. And then see, this is S. It doesn't matter how long is it. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so the secret is like this: when you put on PQ, and it is done, yeah, this is coincide to PQ. You press it strong, and then you put another ruler or set square here. Okay, and then you press this set square or ruler strong, and then this one freely move. Okay, so the secret, I mean, is you have to give your strength here or sometimes on that hand. Okay, so take turn. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, I have RS. Actually, we can draw the RS over here. It's okay. Yeah, so the S is here. Yeah, so you choose the RS will be like that or like this. Okay, you can repeat this video. Okay, this is the application. Yeah, this is how we apply, yeah, to draw a parallel and perpendicular. Before I teach you how to make a parallel line. Yeah? If to make perpendicular line easy, yeah, we use this and this, the perpendicular side. Okay, now let me show you this one. AB is 5 centimeter. So we sketch first. AB is 5 centimeter, and then PC, CD, DA is 2 centimeter. Okay, be careful, yeah. Many students make mistake. The picture becomes like this. AB is short and then the BC is long, like this. Yeah, this is wrong. So that's why it's very important to have a sketch before you really draw it. Yeah. Okay, when you know that the sketch is correct, yeah, okay, this one is wrong, this one is correct. So now you really measure and make a rectangle like that. Yeah. Okay, we start with AB, 5 centimeter. I like to start from 1 to 6. Yeah, A, B, right? And then this one, put it here, put it at AB. Yeah. And then you draw a line. Yeah, it's up to you how long. Okay. In real, we use pencil. Remember, yeah. Today I use a pen because pen is clear when we watch from the video. Yeah. Now and then this is 2 centimeter, right? A, B, C. Okay, this is 5. This is 2. It's done. Now, how to make CD? The CD is parallel to AB. So we use the parallel side. Okay, my strength on that finger, on that hand, and then this one on the side. Now the strength is here when you press it, and then we slide down. Okay, now we get CD. See, yeah, it make a length of CD more than 5 centimeter. Okay, this doesn't matter. Okay, now from BC. Yeah, see this one and this one. Remember, we don't use the hypotenuse. Yeah, and then we put another ruler over here. Okay, and then press this one strong, and this is really move to A, right? Like this. Done. Okay, A, B, C, D. Without measuring how long is CD, it's automatically you will get 5 centimeter. Right? I didn't measure, right, this one, yeah, but it is 5 centimeter. Yeah, without measuring AD, we can get this one 2 centimeter. Okay, here is the rectangle.